Hi everyone, just wanted to do a review on this 5-tier pipe shelf that we purchased. So it's very nice. I just have some few decorations. Been looking for something to store some blankets on, be able to put pictures and stuff on it, and it looks really good inside here. So we found the perfect one. So it comes with the pipes. These are separate pieces, and then it comes with 5 shelves. All it is probably about 20 screws. So it's not really complicated at all. I was actually surprised at how quickly I was able to put it together. And then it has 2 screws at the top to secure to the wall, and on the bottom it has a couple rubber pads so it won't scratch your floor or anything. So made very well. The wood is nice. I like the stain color. I like the black in the wood color scheme. It looks really good. Modern farmhouse style. You could kind of dress it up however you want, but yeah, it looks very sturdy. It went together very nice. All the holes lined up, so I was pretty impressed. And we're definitely happy with it. So I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a shelf to store some things, display some things, this is probably the perfect one right here. And also, these are actually fairly large. They're not small at all, so you could put, like I have the blankets and stuff, and they fit real nice. So yeah, thank you for looking. Bye.